Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can take a screenshot of like a video on CapCut PC and how you can save it as like an image. So essentially just like taking screenshots of a video. So select the video that you want to screenshot. I'll just use another of this Valorant video. I'm just going to go to the place I want to like screenshot. So maybe like here. That's so chaotic. Anyways, select these three lines here, export still frame. I'm just going to call it screenshot 1. It's going to be saved in this folder, so make sure you've correctly selected the folder. Select the resolution you want the screenshot to be in, and then just export it. And as you can see here, it's going to be just an image. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.